To create an invoice in Shopify, you first need to understand that the platform automatically generates an order confirmation email for every sale. This email acts as a basic receipt, but if you need a formal tax document or a printable invoice, you must create a draft order first. Navigate to your Shopify admin panel and click on Orders in the left sidebar. Once there, look for the Create Order button at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new page where you can manually build an order for your customer. On the New Order screen, start by searching for your customer in the search bar or create a new customer profile by clicking the Create New Customer link if they are not already in your system. After selecting the customer, you need to add the products by browsing your store's catalog or using the search function. For each line item, you can adjust the quantity, price, or apply a specific discount. Below the product list, you can also add custom items that are not in your store. Just type a name and a price, which is useful for custom services. Once all the products are added, you have the option to apply additional discounts, set a shipping rate manually, and add any relevant taxes. Scroll down to the payment section, where you must select Mark as Payment Pending in the Payment Status drop-down menu. This step is crucial because it prevents the order from being processed as paid immediately and allows you to send an invoice requesting payment. You can also change the payment terms from payment due immediately to a future due date if you are extending credit. Finally, review the entire order summary for accuracy. When you are ready, click the Send Invoice button located at the bottom of the page. A new window will appear where you can edit the subject line and message of the email that will be sent to your customer. Shopify will automatically attach a link to a secure checkout page where the customer can pay the invoice online. After confirming the message, click Review Invoice to see a preview and then hit Send Invoice to deliver it to your customer's inbox. The order will now be saved as a draft marked as Pending Payment until the customer completes the transaction.